Hello everyone, I Assistant Professor Pragati Shete from Department of Microbiology, KJ Somaya College. In this online lecture, we will continue the study of the oncogenic viruses. In the last online lecture, we have reached till the retroviruses, the classification of retroviruses according to depending upon the various factors, right? Now we will study the DNA virus. In that, first group is the papoviruses. So which virus will come under this? The HPV virus, okay, that is the human papilloma virus, okay, the HPV virus. Now the association of this virus and the tumor cells or the cancer of the cervix uteri. So this viruses will be responsible for causing the cervix cancers, okay, and particularly HPV type 16 and HPV type 18 are responsible, okay. Then second group is the polyoma virus. Now in the polyoma virus, the BK and the JC viruses, this two virus causes the asymptomatic human infections, okay, and due to this they can induce the tumors in the immunodeficient patients. All right, this is about the polyoma virus. Next is the simian virus 40, called as the SV40. Okay, simian viruses. In the simian virus type 40, called as SV40, in this the transformation of this normal to the tumorous cells is induced from the several species including the human cells, okay, and is induced in the cultured cells. Now the fourth one is the pox virus, okay. In this the three members of this group can induce the benignant tumors. First is the rabbit fibroma, molluscum contagiosum, and the Epstein-Barr virus. Okay, these three groups of the virus are responsible for causing tumors in case of the pox virus type. The fourth one is the adenovirus. Okay, adenovirus, in that they can cause the human and the animals also. Then they produce the sarcomas, okay. Then fifth one is the herpes virus, okay. In the herpes virus, many herpes virus are associated in the tumor cells, okay. Then they will include the Marek's disease, then the Luke's tumor of Rogers. They can also cause the human infections as well as the animal cell infections, okay. Then the Epstein-Barr virus. This virus is regularly most commonly found in the cultured lymphocytes from the Burkitt's lymphoma patient, okay. In their patient body, the patient who are suffering from the Burkitt's lymphoma, okay, from there they can be isolated, okay. Although very less percent of this virus is present, but it is studied and shown that this virus is also responsible for causing the tumors, okay. Then HSV, the herpes simplex virus. This HSV that can cause the, again, the uterine cervix cancer, okay, and also can be Kaposi's sarcoma. Then last one is the HBV, that is the hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis viruses are responsible in the type B virus, will be responsible for causing the hepatocellular carcinoma, okay. So this is the classification for DNA oncogenic viruses. Okay, these groups of the DNA viruses are responsible or can induce the cancer in some patients, okay, and various types of the tumors. So we have the different groups such as the papoviruses, polyoma virus, okay, and along with this there are certain properties of the transformed cells by the viruses, okay, which means the host cell which are transformed due to this virus, so that cells will show the certain properties. So that will include the alteration in the cell morphology, right, then alteration in the metabolism of the cell, alteration in the growth characteristic, antigenic alterations, and the capacity to induce tumors. Okay, so these are the properties of the cells which are transformed by this oncogenic viruses. Okay, so in this lecture we studied the DNA virus classification, and the each group which infection or which type of tumor it will produce, and we saw certain properties of the transforming cell in the host which are caused due to this viruses. I hope you understood this online lecture. If you have any doubt regarding this, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.